take a look at what inspires excellence. What drives us? What gets us out of bed in the morning?
I think I like to classify myself a bit as an entertainer, a business entertainer. I think that we take life a little bit too seriously these days, and so sometimes we go into these rooms where we listen to speakers who drone on and on with too much theory. At the end of a long day, people just want to be entertained.
And what stops your motivation? How many of you have gone to a motivational speaker and you thought, yes, yes, and you walked out there, I'm going to do it. And you drove all the way home thinking of how many ways you were going to make it happen. And you walked into your house and the chaos met you at the door and you went, and I'm going to start tomorrow. Yes, I am. And tomorrow never happens. That's perfectionism. We're waiting for the right moment. I work with people who are under a lot of pressure. People who are just looking for an escape route. And humor gives us a chance to look at real life with a spin. Do you know that your thoughts have energy? And that you will become what you think most about? Lucky for me, I'm surrounded by incredible people. And the most influential people in your life are the 5 that are closest to you. I want you to think about who they are. Who are the 5 people? Do they lift you or do they lower you? And we all have them. And some of them, sometimes we sleep really close to them.
Very dynamic, very personable, all things that I can relate to, very relevant within today's world, and just really, really fitting for the times.
Just the energy that she showed, but also the fact that there's rewards in there, and set that bar high so that when you do get a result, it is a result that's going to be over and above what we normally see in society today.
The real secret to inspired excellence is figuring out what you love and finding that passion. And I think that, you know, even for myself, I went through a huge journey of working in healthcare, then working in law enforcement, thinking that was it, and really always feeling like there was something missing. But I always was trying to find that next piece. And I think sometimes we fall into stuff that just fits. And when it comes easy, we have a tendency to discount it. So when I talk about inspiring excellence, excellence isn't about perfection. It's not about the perfect moment. It's not about finding the right idea. It's not about conformity. It's about doing it different because it's the right thing to do. It's doing it because it matters, because it'll make a difference, and because it'll make a difference for you. Excellence is about stepping it up when it hurts and being okay to fall. You know, I firmly believe there will always be another mountain, and we're always going to want to move.